sorry, Pa, one bam, I see my uncle. Hey, there's a town out there, Bremen. I see my uncle. Probably I'm Matty out there. Anyway.
Bad man, that's. You know the bed, though. I swear, the whole Kumasi, you know the bed.
I swear.
If I go Skybar, I go see you. If I go in the inside, I go see you. If I go Bulldog, basement, 99 too. Hey, what you also?
I mean, when you deal with when you deal with Odogun and one, the money now water. Money now water. The way this man they throw money like inside the water.
Make a busy.
If you do with how you go feel sleep? You don't go feel sleep.
They don't know one way they talk matter now. They come. We can't wait they use. Somebody will say get money where you know the cruise car. Like
listen, there are some for there. There are some person where they say he get everything. He get money, he get everything, but like you know go
like what?
Feel like you go back.
I just listen to
you don't use car.
Oh, master.
You don't use
somebody when they come where you just
no, you don't use Benz.
They can't spend. We money that.
You don't know Odogun and one like that. You don't use Benz.
Easy. Let's show you they come.
Look at the ass.
I swear, this girl the Charlie.
See, relax.
Hey, you know say me my type. I love chubby.
You like chubby. I mean, you forget. You don't say.
Hello.
Hi. Relax for me. Everything there.
Come on.
Okay, you go. Yeah. Come. You will go. Why the fear?
Who the fear? You go.
Yeah, hi. Hello.
Nice meeting you.
More info go inside.
Where are we going? Can you find out call?
Off to the gym. Yeah.
Gym. Oh, I'm even ready. Can I join you?
Oh, come on, baby. Oh, that's fine.
Hello, please. Beautiful place, a minute, please. Beautiful place, a minute. Out of mercy. Sorry, okay. Nice to meet you. I'm Prince, and you?
I'm Gigi.
Whoa. Gigi, please, if you don't mind, like, where to?
Off to the gym.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know something like, I've been crushing on you. Let me be real to you, like,
You're my guy.
Yeah, you also. I come, I beg. You do wait, you succeed that more for that. He's a human being. As he can't wait, so he's like the own.
I wish I could have the time to spend with you so we talk for a long time. But then I have to go. I'm working.
Make me interrupt you. What's up? Like
another time, yeah. See. Another time. Sorry. I'm just sorry. You saw these guys. Anyway.
You see your life. Master, me my life. One time they hate to be say if you do something where you know succeed that way like you don't
relax. If you are called a girl,
come on for that.
Why
you call them so what? I mean, you call them so what? You what you do? Mama, you will do am. Me will first do am where you go.
And what happened?
Why you now? I'm so many there.
And what happened?
What happened? As you see, like at approach now, it succeed now.
You relax too much. I don't know what to
say. I don't know. You know, so they leave my spec. My type of way they go.
About so quite ready. I say. I don't.
Me life dey chama see me if you can go in matter, you matter there. Chale. Me dey me no kasa bi mu kura put the hum atwam.
Boy, any ntwa so any.
I get with my type with my spec. See, if you see my pass by, make you go in again.
So you get them.
I don't get them. I the way in here.
I don't get them because you don't rush. See your face.
For baby.
This is my.
They don't have point to do here.
Nice.
You see, me I dey go as someone body. You are being in the go house.
Today, my gym instructor will love you. You know? That's my gym.
Are you sure?
I'm telling you.
Me too, I'm going to love him too. But it's very far.
We'll reach right now.
You keep trying, you.
The next two.
You try. Because
I just want you to gym so that your tummy will be flat.
Hey.
The muscles.
I was born with it. Don't worry.
No, you have to train.
Hey.
I had to make you train, you know? Yeah,
no
so you
problem.
let's start something.
Okay, thank you. Today, I'll be happy to see that person. Oh, you are tired.
Okay, my dear.
Oh, you are tired. Relax.
Can you carry me?
Relax. I can.
Oh,
why can't I carry you? But it is public now.
I need you to carry me.
Are you sure?
Just try.
Hey.
A little. Let's go. Go down.
Hey. Lord of miracle, I need your strength.
Go down, tired.
I'm down already.
Carry me to the... Go down small.
I'm down already. Don't worry.
Oh my God!
We call something swakoti. It's not a big problem.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm falling.
You okay at the back?
I'm falling at the back.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Lord of miracle has given me strength.
Oh, you're such a darling.
Oh, you too. You're such a beautiful woman.
I'll fall down. Hey, Jehovah.
God forbid.
So just let me get up.
You want to get down?
Yes, please.
Oh, she needs God. Save my life.
Who hates me?
I'm sorry. Oh, don't worry. Wake up.
Me, baby.
Elephantiasis.
Carry me.
Oh, I carried you. But in spite of unfortunately, I fall down. I can see you are tired. Close your eyes. I have something special for you. Are you ready to close your eyes?
Yeah.
I have something special for you.
Let me see. I've closed my eyes. I'm waiting.
Bekola.
Like, seriously. I told you this guy, we catch it all.
Give me
Wait,
this, yeah.
we don't know how we go feel detect. We don't know.
You know what? Combination I'm just giving you.
That one be confusion, Mister.
Baby, my boo.
Is it here? Are we close?
Oh, yes, go.
Let us go.
Yeah, I know you.
Go.
You love the
Hello, beautiful.
Don't be tired.
You're beautiful. Hello.
I think someone is calling you.
Call me.
This is you, brother.
Are you calling me?
No.
I think it is you. They are calling you.
I beg, excuse us, okay?
No problem.
Beautiful.
No problem.
Everything nice.
Everything cool.
Sure. I guess today too, you went to the gym, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I love your drip, like, no, I love you. Macho, excuse you, why?
I'm available. Don't worry.
Who is he? Is he your uncle, like, you know?
What did you say, my uncle?
Yeah, I'm just like, you know.
Is he your classmate or you're just a neighborhood friend?
Oh, nothing of that stuff. That's my, my baby boy.
What?
Now, you're...
like what?
My boyfriend.
Excuse me. What are you trying to tell me?
Like, seriously, do you mean, are you kidding or?
Are you telling us that he's
I'm telling you facts. That's my
so
boyfriend.
you don't know
I'm
who
actually taking him to the gym to train.
you don't know who to choose.
I mean,
We talked to you the other time. You ignore us. What? Now confirm them. Trip. Actually, I'm born a fool.
No, but what's wrong with what
Hello. Excuse me. What are you talking about?
Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. Like, that's what I want. So, anyhow, he's.
What are they trying to say? My friend, what are you trying to say?
Come on.
Hey, excuse me.
Wait. Like, I want to get things clear here. You say, you be your guy.
Please, I beg, leave her alone.
Yo, my guy, what's up? Hey, we're participating right now, I beg. I beg, you say, you be your guy where he died to, like, you don't day. Where he day on top.
He has been my boyfriend ever since.
A girl like you call him like,
Of course, like
Babe, what are they trying to say? I want to know what you mean.
Your guy.
What do you
like
mean?
seriously?
We're actually about to get married.
What?
Mystical.
Hey, my friend, what are you trying to say?
No, come on, listen. Look
What
at
is he trying to
Yeah,
say?
you're cool. You're handsome. You look good.
No, like what's up? Just look at my friend.
Yeah, he's also cool.
One girl,
I chose him because
Just cause what
he makes me.
I beg, you call me a villager. Hey, my friend,
Let
my
you
friend.
be first and last. Listen to me. Let you be first and last. Let me move so suddenly. I swear to God, you go love me. You go bear. You go check me.
Let me tell you something. Me, I'm not fear your beard or your Maya
Have
body.
you seen this one?
I don't fear all of
Have you
you.
seen this
Huh.
one?
I don't fear your beard.
See,
You see this
please
one?
leave.
You see, I have
I'll get you a new shirt. Yeah?
I have a heart
Don't worry, I'll
that
get you a new shirt.
to carry this baby. Would you afraid
Stop
of me?
talking. Let's go. Let's get
Baby,
going.
don't mind them. I will have, I will have give you a
I'm still
dirty
talking.
shirt.
I'm going to get you a new shirt.
Baby, don't worry. I have to show them, teach them a lesson. Let me teach them a lesson. I will teach you a lesson.
Come and teach.
You what I am not a small boy. You think I am a small boy?
Baby, I'm waiting.
Baby, I'm coming.
You won't put yourself in
Idiot. Idiot. You think say now about the way we take Cali woman. You mad, you the crazy. It be the sense.
Go.
Nonsense.
I didn't know Jimmy so.
Hey, yeah.
So this girl too, if you can say for guests will do am. So for guests to
this one be for guests. This one no be normal. See, if you forget the way the guy used do am. You know, see, we the first guy with their body top and see.
This life no balance. Oh, this life no balance. I swear.
The guy go juju. Where you do, I mean, do the girl.
Now, I don't understand. I swear, go beat him. We go shun the floor the girl. Me, I go beat him. I swear.
If you love the guy, boy, man, if you beat him, if you do anything, you love him. So if you shun them, if this one be juju love, no be matter juju love.